Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the kitchen and today I'll be cooking some chicken lo mein. So continue watching guys and let's cook this lo mein. So I'm going to use some thin spaghetti. And I have some chicken breasts. So I am using some lime juice to wash the chicken. I'm out of vinegar, so I'm just going to use my lime juice. I have apple cider vinegar, guys. Do you think I can use it on the chicken? Because I'm out of the regular cane vinegar. Well, I'm going to use a bit to wash the chicken. Alright guys, so I cleaned the chicken and now I'm going to put some season on. So I'm going to use some all-purpose paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, chicken seasoning, complete season, and salt. So guys, I'm also going to add some garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to put a small amount of dark soy sauce on the chicken. Just like that. And I'm using extra virgin olive oil to fry the chicken. While the oil is getting hot, I'm going to put some water on. And I'm going to add some salt to the water. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use in my lo mein. Some green peppers, green onion, red onion, thyme. I'm going to use some broccoli, my carrot, and I'm going to use a small piece of cabbage as well because I love in my lo mein is really crunchy. So these are all the vegetables that I'm going to put in there. Okay guys, so my oil is hot and I'm going to add the chicken in now. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm going to prepare the vegetables. Alright, so the water is boiling and now I'm going to put my spaghettis in. Okay guys, I'm going to remove the chicken. I'm going to remove the chicken from the pot. So my spaghetti is done cooking. I remove it from the heat. So I'm going to continue to prepare the vegetables and seasonings. Let me show you how the chicken is looking. So that's how the chicken is looking for now. Guys, these are some fresh thyme. This is a must to give your lo mein a nice flavor. So I'm using a generous amount of thyme. Okay guys, I'm going to prepare the seasonings and vegetables now for the lo mein. So I'm going to use the same pot that I fried the chicken in to prepare the veggies. first you want to go in with some butter. Next thing you want to go in with is some garlic. So I'm going to add the garlic in the butter. Alright, so while I'm waiting on the butter to melt down, I'm going to prepare the sauce to go on the lo mein. So I'll be using some honey, some soy sauce, a little sesame oil, so to make my sauce with a nice consistency, I'm using a little bit of cornstarch as well. So now I'm going to add the carrots and thyme into the pot. Guys, I'm not going to put the sesame seed oil in this sauce. I'm going to put it actually in the pot. Just a little tip. A little tip. And guys, this is my secret ingredient. It gives the lo mein a really nice taste. I'm going to add a small amount of peanut butter. So guys, now I'm going to add the sauce to the pot, just like that. And then once I add the sauce, I'm going to now put in the chicken. So that's how the sauce is looking so far. Okay guys, so I'm going to add the sweet peppers, the broccoli, and some onions to the sauce now. Now is the time when I'm going in with my cabbage. Once everything is combined, I'm going to put my noodles in, then I'm going to cover and let it simmer for roughly a minute or two. So you want to make your lo mein nice and juicy. We don't want no dry lo mein. Make sure you have enough sauce. Okay guys, so I'm going to taste it to see if everything is on point. And yeah guys, I just got my caramel crunch frap. Very motivating, right? You sick? Alright guys, so I'm adding a little bit more honey. And that should be it. Okay guys, so that's it. I cover and I'm gonna let it sit on low heat for 2 minutes and then I'm done. Okay guys, so this is it, the end result. That's how my chicken lo mein is looking. So that is it guys, that's it for my cooking vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks again guys, bye. Mwah.